The first step is to simply go to your Beacons account, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply click on settings on the left side, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply go to payments. Now from here, as you can see, we have different options. So we're gonna have to click on connect on the PayPal one, and then we're gonna see a pop-up. So basically now what we're gonna have to do is simply log in into our PayPal account. So we're gonna have to simply enter our email address, then simply choose our country or region and click on next. And then basically what we're gonna have to do now is simply enter our password and click on log in, and that's all we have to do in order to connect PayPal to Beacons. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.